Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about two-factor authentication regularly, and I always push that everybody should be using them. And of course, there are views out there of people saying, well, it's more annoying than anything, or I don't know why it's safer, and it is way safer. And the reason is the understanding of how people lose control of their accounts quickly. Now, the simple use of an account, like a Gmail account, a Facebook account, anything that you might be using, is, of course, first of all, in the best security possible, is to have a really, really good password. And that's where two-factor authentication is important, because the majority of people do not have good passwords. The majority of people have very weak passwords that they think are safe. Using any word in your passwords, standard words, is a risk. And what happens is that if the hackers, if somebody out there finds that password, he has access to your account and you lose access to that account. With two-factor authentication, he can't get control of your account. It's impossible because it needs that second verification. So he needs that code or that verification, that extra verification through email before you continue. So instead of thinking it as being a nuisance or a problem, you should rather think about it as one day this feature might save your account and might make a difference between you losing control of everything, losing money, than just having to change a password because somebody somewhere has done something. This is also particularly true in cases where people use the same password everywhere. There's a lot of people that do that, same password in every account. Once again, one account gets hacked, that means that password is going to be tried on everything that they can find about you. Don't think that it's safe, and actually most big security firms will tell you, even with a good password, not having two-factor authentication is a major risk. A Google study that was done, actually, I think is last year, said that with the two-factor authentication, the chances and the number of people that get actually hacked or lose control of their accounts is lowered by something like 80%. Just tells you that it's a major way of staying safe, and it's a major way of making sure that everything you do stays safe all the time. So turn on those two-factor authentication on your email accounts, Facebook, your bank accounts, everywhere. It is the number one way to really, really make that security much, much higher. And the risk of losing your accounts becomes very, very low at that time. No two-factor authentication is a major factor why people are actually getting hacked very often. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.